Dear students, this class of our MSc final topic is gas liquid chromatography. In this unit, all techniques like as chromatography have been complete. Last techniques we will complete today. Dear students, these chromatographic techniques for the important for all types of the students which have discipline in organic, analytical, physical, and so on, because these types of techniques are very important in the general criteria in research, because some research techniques in synthesis process, reaction proceed yes or no, we find by chromatography. And because chromatographic techniques are very cheaper and less time consumable like as TLC, PC. So TLC is a important tool for the research criteria in research criteria and synthesis field. Because in synthesis we can say that A plus B to form C. Then we find out the reaction will be proceed yes or no on the basis of the thin layer chromatography. And all types of chromatography we discussed in previous lecture. Gas chromatography, that is the advanced technique. Gas GC-MAS techniques is the advanced chromatography which is used in some FSL forensic science laboratories in solve some criminal cases. Today we discuss on gas liquid chromatography. Myself, Dr. Rajaram, Assistant Professor, Government Dungur College. Gas liquid chromatography is a common type of chromatography used in analytical chemistry for separating and analyze compounds that can be vaporized without decomposition. Typical uses of gas liquid chromatography include testing the purity of particular substance or separating the different components of mixture in some situation. Gas liquid chromatography may help in identifying a compound. All types of the chromatography also have used in identifying the compound. In preparative chromatography, GLC can be used in prepare pure compounds from a mixture. This is the advanced use of the GLC. GLC can be used to prepare pure compound from a mixture. In gas chromatography, the mobile phase is a carrier gas, usually in inert gas, such as helium, or an reactive such as nitrogen. We have already discussed in gas chromatography. Gas liquid chromatography used to separate and analyze compound. Sample has to be able to be vaporized without decomposition. This technique based on boiling point or vapor pressure also. Typical gas, testing purity, separation of components of mixture, relative amount can be determined, prepare pure compound from a mixture. This is the advancement of this technique, prepare pure compounds from a mixture. Similar to fractional distillation, this technique both separate the components of a mixture primarily based on boiling point and vapor pressure. fractional distillation used for the large scale, and gas chromatography used on micro scale. Phases. We discuss about phases. We know that in chromatography have two types of the phases. First is the mobile phase and second is the stationary phase. But in this gas liquid chromatography, inert gas, usually helium or nitrogen. Helium is the inert gas. And second is the stationary phase, layer of liquid or polymer on inert solid support inside a glass or metal tubing. This is type of the column. Column is the important part in the chromatographic apparatus. All types of the chromatography used in the separation of the mixture, but this type of the chromatography used in the pure form of the mixture. Compounds is injected with syringe into sample injector. At first, we separate out some compounds from the sample, then sample injector by a syringe, and compound is carried by carrier gas like as helium and nitrogen, and also vaporized. Vaporized sample interacts with wall of column. Some samples interact more, some less. Some sample interact more and some sample interact less with the wall of the column. Samples are vaporized by heating. Due to interaction with the column, sample elevate at different time retention time. Retention time is the comparison of retention time is what is useful. A detector monitors of the outlet stream from the column. Retention time. Here is the retention type. RF is not RT is retention time. Can be used to identify if method conditions are constant. The area under the curve is directly proportional to the amount of compound. The area under the curve is directly proportional to the amount of the compound. Amount of the compound is greater, then area under the curve is also greater. This is the simple diagram of the apparatus, gas liquid chromatogram. In this you say that sample injector inject from this position, and after we use carrier gas and flow controller and used a column also. Column are situated in column O1 because gases must be evaporate, and after that detect and detect on the detector. Temperature is controlled at injection port. Column and detector column can be made specific for your needs. Longer the column, the better the separation. Important part of this, because the column is the important part of technical chromatography technique. So we can say that longer column, that better separation. Separation quality is better when we use column length is high. So techniques, chromatography techniques are depend on column. This is the analytical gas chromatography apparatus. We follow a sample red and blue parts. Here blue parts and red parts are separate out, and blue parts is going first and separate from red bubbles. And this is the retention time and the response of PV. Here red line is shown as Decan and blue line shown as non-N. This is the curve. Microcrystalline cellulose FID response. This is on 300 Kelvin. This is the oven, microwave oven, and columns are situated in microwave oven. Microwave oven used for heating purpose, because in this chromatography must be evaporate by heating. Heating can provide by oven. Variable we can change: inlet temperature, detector temperature, column temperature, type carrier gas flow rate, stationary phase, diameter and length of column, and sample size also. This is the curve, detector response and retention time. Mixture of 1 butanol and 2 butanol. 3 types of the mixture. 1 butanol, here is 74.12 mm and 6.666 kPa is VP, vapor pressure, and BP is 117.7 degrees centigrade. And butanol is, here we can say that BP, VP and mm. Mm are approximate same in butanol and butanone, but boiling point and VP, vapor pressure, are different. So in this criteria we easily separate out this mixture of 1 butanol, 1 butanol and 1 butanol. Thank you to all. Today in analytical chemistry we have complete the unit number 3rd, chromatography. This is the part of mine. So I think other unit may be 1/4 part. I think I will teach you, but after some time. Students, prepare your notes by help of the PDF and complete your assignment. Assignment you complete by learning method. No writing method, learning method. At first you learn, you understand. After that you write your assignment and send on my WhatsApp group. This is essential for you. My channel, subscribe, like and share also. In pandemic situation COVID, the government of Rajasthan advised some advisory. So all students must follow them and take care your health, because your exam in approximate March or April also. So your study continuing in your home palace and complete reading your books, reference books. I will provide some important references books in our WhatsApp group also. Thank you. Thank you so much, dear students.